Howdy folks, Chris with The Lawn and Life. So we are at day 9 and I told you I would keep you updated along the way. It's day 9, as I said, since I've seeded with the Barenbrug RPR, the perennial ryegrass. While it's looking pretty good, I'm out here watering it right now. It's not looking mint as Ben over at Lawn Tips would say, but it's still looking pretty good. So you ready to see it? Are you excited? Let's go look at it. There she blows. So as I said, this is day 9 and it's looking okay. It needs a cut and I got a lot of leaves in the yard, especially over on the front side. We'll talk about that here in a second, but it just kind of looks unkempt right now, but it's still too early to cut it. Let's look at this angle right here. It's weird having my grass be green this late in the season though. And let's get down in it. I'm hoping to cut it in about 4 or 5 days. That would be day 14 is what I'm shooting for, but we'll have to see. Thing I do see a lot of people ask about, a lot of guys ask, hey, is it okay? You can tell right there, some of the grass blades are bleached white. That is not that big of a deal. That's basically that Scotch starter fertilizer and plus weed preventer. That will do that. Tenacity does the same thing. So we should be fine. One thing right here, you can tell it's a lot greener here. I had some washout because we had Hurricane Delta come through here. Had a lot of heavy rain, so I already have added a little bit more seed right here. I've been keeping it up, but I was watering 2 to 3 times a day. Now this thicker area over here, I'm just back to watering normal schedule. One other issue I have had is a little bit of fungus. That is a pretty common thing you will deal with when you're overseeding because you have to water so frequently. Let me see if I can find where I was dealing with it. See all that right there, that fungus looking stuff? It's a small area. This area does get a little bit more shade. It's not dry out as fast as that area right there. So I just went and bought some of that Advanced Hose-In fungus spray. It has propiconazole in it. And I looked on the lawnforum.com and asked a couple of really smart guys and they agreed it's okay to put down. And I actually read some articles where it said propiconazole can be beneficial in helping your seeds root and develop better. So I went and did that, just a light dose, and it's knocking it out. It's a whole lot better than it was. So that and a little bit of washout is the only issues I've had. Now over here, the front yard, which always seems to struggle a lot more. Over here, I cannot really tell, honestly, right here. I just can't tell if it's just growing slower because the shade from that tree or what. So I could have had some washout right there because of the Hurricane Delta too. I may have to put a little seed right there. It's just hard to really tell because the grass, there's so much freaking pine straw. But I can't get out there. I can't get out there and do anything right now for another few days at least. But you can tell I may have missed some spots or we may have had some washout. But once I get it cut, I'll evaluate and see if I need to add some more seed. But overall, I'd say it's about, I thought I heard a dog or something behind me. Overall, it's looking pretty good. It's not quite where I want it to be yet, but I still have some seed left over. I can add some more, but overall, I am happy with the side yard. I would say I'm probably about a 7 or 8 out of 10 as far as on the happy scale. And then on the front yard, I'd say 5.5 out of 6. So I'm probably gonna have to add some seed, but it's trial and error. Like one of my subscribers says, trial and error. It can't be perfect. It's a work in progress always. Anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. I appreciate you watching. So I'll do another follow-up. Probably the next follow-up on this will be the first time I'm cutting it. So that'll probably be another week or so, hopefully. And we'll just reevaluate then if I want to add any more seeds. So I appreciate you watching. This is Chris with The Lawn and Life. Y'all have a safe day.